Yes, sir. CMZTrades at your service. This is the 100 Trades Backtesting Challenge, Series 3, Episode 14. We are using the MarketCipher Basic Strategy and journaling every single trade with TradeZella. We are trading the Micro Mini Nasdaq, symbol MNQ. And this is a replay of February 2025 historic price action. We go live to the charts now. Over here, we can see Wednesday, February 19th. You know, we took this trade, beautiful entry. We were 25 points up. Oh, we need to deal with, but it came back and stopped us out. I mean, I was really going for it. I didn't take profit. I thought she could at least get down here, but she didn't do that until dang near 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours later. Sheesh. Okay. It was a good trade, but not managed, the best. We got to address something here real quick. This whole series, I can't believe it. This is supposed to say $2. The Micro Mini NQ, which is basically Micro NQ. So this is here we go. We're good like this. So instead of $5 a tick, and that's a 25% price move and a $20 a point. Nasdaq. So let's start with that. There's got to be a better way to communicate this, folks. But I'm just saying, Nasdaq moves at $5 a tick. Tick is four ticks is a point, or $1. Total of $20 a point. There we go. The Micro NQ. I had it at $5. My brain was not braining, and I didn't catch it till episode 13, and then we're correcting it here now. The Micro NQ is 50 cents per tick and $2 a point. So this is why I said that it was a multiple of 10, is because $2 a point here, $20 a point in NASDAQ. The $5 a point that I had here and the multiple of 10 and all of that was confusing the heck out of me last episode. I was tired and I couldn't figure it out. But I thought about it and here it is. Actually, I looked it back up and I was like, what? That's right. It's only $2 because it's only 50 cents per tick. 4 ticks, that's $2, folks. So that's the math. Math be mathin'. Now, when we're trading 20 contracts of the Micro NQ, 20 contracts. Oh, here we go again. Hold on. Yeah, that's the same as, so NASDAQ we traded 2 contracts. So a multiple of 10 would be 20 contracts. Therefore, 100-point move in NASDAQ is $1,000 for 1 contract, but $2,000. Wait, here we go again. Boy, I tell you, simple math is not simple in my brain. $20 a point, 100 points would be $2,000. So 2 contracts, $4,000 for a 100-point move. Is that right? Yes, that's right. So it's going to be the same thing for micro. It's $2. Well, yeah, $2 a point. 100 points would be 200, but then times 20, and we're at 2,000. Okay, maybe I did math it wrong. Is this thing live? So $20 a point here times 100 would be 2,000. Times 2 contracts is 4,000. $2 times 100 points is 200. Times 20. Oh, it's 4,000. Okay, so there you go, right? The numbers are legit. That took way too long. Yeah, folks, I love math, believe it or not. But my brain does not be mathing very quickly. All right, you already know what time it is. It's time for New York on Thursday. I believe that's where we are. Let's just double check to make sure here. Where'd my music go? Let's just do a double check ski. A double check ski here, folks. All right. Here we go. Move into the dashboard. Yeah, we're in Thursday. We took 2 trades Wednesday. That brings us to Thursday. New York session. Here we are, 5 a.m. Thursday. Lock and load. Still got some New York lows from a couple days ago. We got some Asia lows from the day before. London high here. All right, folks. What's price want to do? What's price want to do? Let's get a little bias going. 12-hour bearish, bearish, bearish. Oh, I like that 6 bear. 3-hour. Bulls are hanging on. Like to see that money flow leave a little sharply. I like this, folks. The bears. You know, she could come up just a little, come back down. Yeah, the bears are hungry, but those bulls are putting up a fight. That is for sure. That is for sure. I don't think they're going to give much. I don't think they can get much here. You know, I'd like to see a wick into here and then get some candle closes here. And then, you know, and then we're looking for a short. Now, if she starts shorting already, we might join in. We might join in as long as she don't take off on us. It's manageable. It's 2 a.m. We need a sweep here. The New York Open, though. That's still a short, folks. That still can be shorted. We know what we're looking for. I gotta clean that up a little bit though. Can she stay above there? It is sweep above. Pre-market. We're not at 6 a.m. yet. Like, New York's not officially open for real. It's just trying to bounce around a little bit. Low-key kind of bullish on the short time frames, lower time frames. Yeah, wick above there. Come on down. Let's close a 5 down here. There we are. So we're sweeping those Thursday London highs. Having a little trouble. She's having a little trouble. Looks like a short. Lots of separation on the 15. $24. The 40. The 1. The 2. The 4. The short. Folks, we're going for it. 622. This is Thursday, February 20th. $622. Right here. What is this? Asia. Asian highs right there. Okay. I'm just practicing, like learning the time frames and, you know, marking the lowest and highest points during those time sessions. So like 23, that is 11 o'clock. It's an hour before London session. It's still Asian session. Here's some New York highs action. You know, that kind of thing. Some take profit areas to really watch, you know. for a change in behavior on the price action. All right, that's what we're doing. You know, a little bit different than marking out trend lines, support, resistance. This basically tells us everything we want to know. The trend line wouldn't hurt though. You know, we could still like trend line the heck out of this. Yeah, you know, something like that. But we're good. We're good on that. Down to 1 minute here. Let's look at the 15. Here's the 15. Beautiful.
You know, life is like trick or treat. And that's
So
all.
we think we can short this. That's what we're thinking. We're gonna have to be careful with that one, folks. I could see her coming up in here pretty easily. Okay, you know, take out the Asian highs before going lower.
You really want advice?
Oh, we're missing it again.
Just hold your shit together.
Always trying to find
And you will
reasons.
be fine.
I mean, I had to do a 2-minute drill, and then once it did this, so we didn't really miss it. This is what it did while we were doing all that, looking at the candles. You know what I'm saying? Well, part of it we were getting here, but then we started doing trend lines, and that's time. The market ain't gonna wait on you. So, yeah, we're not necessarily jumping in that now, unless there's something like that.
You know,
Chase.
life is like trick or treat.
Okay. I think I might jump in on
That's
that one,
all.
folks. Yeah, there it is. It cleared. It did the clearings. 208.25. What time are we at? 6:31. You know, because our stop, if we got in early, would have been like right here. Where we at? 6:31. 208. We're supposed to be at 208. Oh, so it would not have hit our stop, but you know. Boom, this is our entry for a short right here, folks. It's our opportunity. We can just get down there. I'd be all right with that. We need to seriously think about taking profit right in here. Stop loss. How does that look? 1100. I can set my stop loss there. Gucci man. Okay. Defensive. I like it. Some Asian highs from the yesterday. Okay. All right, folks, we are in the trade. Let's get some trade notes going. You know, I feel pretty good about this one, folks. High to low alignment action. I think our 15 and everything is rolling with us, yeah. We got this going for us. We're defensive. Okay, some notes. Yeah, that 800 plus, folks, we need to watch that. I'm initiating, you know, let's go ahead and initiate a new rule here. There's going to have to be a new rule set for, you know, taking profits. Because all this, like we get into a trade and it moves $800 into profit, and then we end up taking a loss. That's happened so many times. It's unacceptable, folks. Unacceptable. We got to lock in 25% at least. You know, as soon as we get to 800 profit, which I think is 40 points. Or is it 20 points? Here we go, math again. So 40 times 20 is 800 times 2, 1,600. Okay, so 20 points is $800. 40 points is $1,600. Yeah, we got to sell 5 contracts like right around here. If we can get there, you know. If we can get there. Market will do what she needs to do. Let's get some screenshots here. Hey, we're in the trade already. We're in the trade already. We're in the trade already. 5 minute giving away the business. Folks, we got in this trade ASAP, so I got nothing for ya. Yes, sir. It's a good trade. I knew if she was a good trade. Oh, I already got this 1 minute. Hey, got me all rattled. Got me all rattled. I mean, look at that 15. Are you kidding me? Look at that. That's the Jesus take the wheel pattern. Look at that 40. She came up, made another trigger just like that. Wham. See ya. Look at that 1 hour. Come on, baby. Sauced up over here. 2 hour. I might even have to give him the 4 hour just because it's so. Sheesh. I'm gonna give him the 6 hour, folks. This is when I saw that 6 hour. Look at that. Look at these RSIs, folks. That's exactly what we look for on this channel. Exactly what we look for on this channel. All right. Let's lock in the lock-ins. The 1 minute, the 5 minute, $15 was a misfire. I really like that one. I'm gonna run that back. 15, the 40, the 1 hour, folks. The 1 hour. Wait a second. Oh yeah, because I did the 3 and the 4 hour. Yep. Three hour. I mean, just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that's a gorgeous short, folks. And I'm not just saying that because we saw it play out a little bit. I mean, we already booked it. Confident, spoke to me, peaceful, content, high to low alignment. Are you kidding me? Obviously, we know our entries, and we already know we're gonna TP1. Let's just get. I mean, this is perfect trade criteria. Perfect trade criteria, folks. All right, here we go. We predetermined. We're taking 5 contracts here. On any major type of movement, and then our TPs are we're aiming for this kind of stuff, or if we see exit criteria based on 135 15-minute reversal. Come on, folks. 731. Let me get all this in order. Where's my stop? 235.75. Okay. My big TP is 057.75. Oh, she's way down there. She's way down there. Okay. That's not my TP1, folks. My TP1 is in this area, I said. Oops. There we go. Right on that doji, 185. Let's just say 180, 186, you know. Yeah, 185. It's right on that doji, 185. There it is. There's a TP1 for us. Just to lock in profits. That's our style. That's what we do now. Because if we get to 20, you know, anywhere between 20 and 25, 25 is, oh, what is 25? I think that's $1,000. So, you know, 23, that's right around 800, 20 to 20, 25, 800 to 1,000. We have to lock in profits if we see that. All right, folks, here we go. Let's go ahead and take us a trade here, folks. Let me lock in some, I'm gonna switch the track here. I love this track, but I want, what do I want? Yeah, here we go. All right, here we go, folks. 1 minute at a time, 1 minute at a time. Bears coming out swinging within the first 2 minutes. I got in a trade. I mean, while I'm journaling, really, my first TP is hitting, you know. Real life, I'd be journaling after I'm in the trade, just like we did it. And my TP would already be hit right here. So 633, we take 5 contracts. Let me see, where we at? 185.75. All right, that's as close as we can get. We take 5 here. So we're up 1,000. Taking 5 as planned. We're buying back into this short. All right. Took a couple hundred profit. We can't let that slide, folks. Cannot let that slide. And once we hit TP1, I mean, you know, I'm saying we cannot let these people get more than $100 back. Like, I'm breaking even on this. I'm just not going $100 in profit. A big move like that, yeah. If they want to come back and get me, it's all theirs. It's all theirs. We'll do a clean break even. We took a couple hundred. Let's play that out. So right at our entry, if she comes back there for whatever reason, we're out the game. But we took a couple hundred. Now we see how far down the rabbit hole she can go. Unless she wants to just come take us out right now. Okay, yeah, took us out. Hey, we took our 200 and ran. Now look, while we're joking, I might have been a little too generous with the stop loss, because this, I mean, she don't have a lot of support. Oh no, we shouldn't have got out. I think I messed this trade up, folks. It's gonna be painful to watch. I picked the wrong track. I mean, I'm trying to change my stop loss, and what's been working for me is to just keep my stop losses. You know, that's what's been working. I don't want to adjust it too much that we get crazy. Might low-key need to get back in this one. I'm not even going front. But she'd have to. Oh, Lord. Oh, it's sad. It is. It's actually sad. That's crazy. I messed up a beautiful trade, folks. Actually messed it up. This is the second one. Well, no. This is. Oh, man. Yeah, I messed this up. Oh, the FOMO's real. Yep. I'm gonna be sick. Oh, I messed it up. That's crazy. Fear of being wrong. That's actually too bad. We would have hit the final take profit. 57. Look, we would have made another $4,000. We would have passed the challenge. Oh, it hurts. Make it go away. Oh, I messed it up. Folks, I messed up. Oh, I messed up. Messed up. Whatever the risk, we're just gonna have to accept it. Well, that's good, because this answers a question I had, which is, should I, go for tighter stop losses and all of that? And it's like getting it down to 1100. We've been seeing this number 1100 for our stops, and it's been working out great, which is better than 1600. And if we would have just kept it, look how amazing of a trade. But we found it. We saw it. We were in it. So I'm feeling this one. It's gonna suck, but at the same time, there was a valuable lesson I'm getting from this one, and we're going to go ahead and journal it now. We hit TP1 and took 5 cons. Then we moved stop loss to break even. Moving the stop loss was a mistake. Price bounced back up and rejected with very bearish, powerful move downward. The fear of being stopped out after TP1, the fear of losing money. Yeah, the fear of a lesson here. Just accept the risk, at least for the first hour. That first hour, or when we see 1, 3, 5, 15-minute MarketCipher exit criteria is becoming more at risk. Only then move stop loss. Yeah, we had no business moving our stop loss there. Oh, that's unfortunate, folks. That's unfortunate. It doesn't feel as bad as it should. You know what I mean? Like, I should feel like dog water, but at the same time, I've been wondering, should I have a tighter stop loss? And this right here is just a good reminder that my strategy and my trading plan will allow me to hit those 2K, 4K days and more than make up for all of this. We would have passed the simulated challenge, with 12 more trades to go. So in a way too, it's kind of prophetic how we pick up another lesson in the 100 trades backtesting challenge, and we keep that suspense going. This was trade. So that was trade. Let's see what trade that was. 18. Folks, we have 12 more trades in this series to complete the 100 trades backtesting challenge. That 4,000 would have dug us out of this hole and given us the extra 2,000 we needed to get to 9,000, which is what it takes to pass the prop firm challenge. Very exciting. I'm beside myself because I think this thing's going to go even lower, which is insane. And I'm here to tell you that it is most unfortunate that we got stopped out. Look at that. Oh my dear. That's insane. That would have been the best trade of the entire backtesting series so far. So I don't even want to look at it anymore. Let's go ahead and get this thing to the Asian session. So that's going to be February It's going to be Thursday, the 20th, 1600. Let's see where the price goes. Oh, there's our, I couldn't even see it because it was so small. Look, we were about to be in this short, folks. We were going to be in this short. Oh, I'm sick. 250 points. I mean, I guess we were out of the trade here, but we knew that we saw it. We actually wanted this trade in the previous series episode. We wanted it to come down and take out all of these, and it did. It did. All right, folks. Past is the past. Oh, taking $200 profit when it could have been $4,000 profit. Hey, we're in this game. We're getting better. Folks, the amount of experience and wisdom and just trading knowledge I've accumulated over this 100 trades backtesting challenge is incredible. I'm looking forward to the next episode. You don't want to miss the next time CMZ Trades.